Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, to all viewers, huwag kayo magtaka yung nasa baba ko. Actually, I'm at the second floor kasi wala akong makitang nice venue kung saan ako makaka-live video. My next video na related sa Bangko Filipino related is more on sa manpower. Yes, manpower. So therefore, ito ay may kinalaman sa Bangko Filipino employees, former Bangko Filipino employees. Ito ay mahaba-habang topic. Kung if ever hindi kaya ng 8 minutes, so it will be another video. Pero ito is just only introductory part. Okay. By the way, the reason why I make another video for Bangko Filipino employees na nagtatrabaho all over Philippines, so not only Metro Manila, Luzon branches, Visayas, and Mindanao branches, tungkol to sa BF Retirement Fund. Yung bang, halimbawa, nagtrabaho ka doon, how many years of services you've been work, na-affected siya yung before sa second closure, kasi nga dahil nga yung sa hindi ni-release ang 25 billion loan package. Yung 25 billion loan package is kasama na pala doon sa in-applyan ng board of directors para ma-avail yung sino magre-retire, yung mga senior. Yun ang nangyari. Yung mga hindi senior, hiwalay pa siya. So, yun talaga ang nakikita kong problem na issue. As what I've said in my past videos, matagal na silang nagkaroon ng financial feud, yung alitan between Bangko Sentral and Bangko Filipino. Actually, this is already an old issue. Anyway, let's talk about the present. Okay. I think some of you receive already the, parang retirement din or moratorium na naka-registered kung saan address kayo nakatira. Yung iba, as what I've said before, na iba namatay na, na-claim pero hindi 100%. Yan. Anyway, kung just in case mag-open siya third generation for the third time, of course it will be new changes. Of course the trainings, the system, time, syempre panahon, no? Generation to generation, decades by decades. So natin makuan. Actually, right now we are in the digital age as of 2024. How much more pa 2025 beyond. So yon. Manpower. So of course there will be department kung next side. Pero sa ngayon, kailangan nila muna ayusin itong problem na itong capitalization. As of now, it will take time. Of course, it will take years. Kasi nga if I know lang na noon pa na yung palang 18.8 billion damage pala, because we thought as a depositor na nabayad na pala, yung pala wala, may kusing wala. Yon ang nagkaroon ng issue. Tapos yung natanda niya, yung sinabi kong past video na i-release namin ang 25 billion loan package pero may kapalit. Walang i-withdraw ang case para makuha ang 25 billion. Yung 18.8 kalimutan na. Uy, parang that's another topic. So yun. So I hope that this video will catch up attention. So yun ang problema. Alam ko mahirap itong gagawin nila ngayon kasi 1/4 ang pagkarinig ko yata, every former Bangko employees are receiving parang moratorium 1/4. Kumbaga parang retirement na. By the way, yung mga nagtrabaho before, yung iba na hindi pa senior, nagtrabaho na sa ibang bangko. Yes, I am aware of it. Alam ko, halos lahat Kasi para lang may mapakain sa kanilang anak, sa kanilang family. Yung iba ipanggamot sa mga parents nila na super tanda na. I'm aware of it. Ang problem lang is paano mababayaran ang mga employees. Actually, na affected siya kasi dahil nga, yun na nga, yun sa 25 billion loan package, I just found out lang lately na yung pala, attached na pala. Kaya na-affected. Kasi nga, hindi na-release. Kasi humingi ng kapalit. So, yun ang issue. By the way, marami pang susunod na videos na related sa Bangko Pilipino. Oh, by the way, don't you worry, chapter by chapter po ito. Hindi ito instant video na meron na kaagad. Okay? So, thank you for listening in this video. Good afternoon.